How to get your FB account back after it's been hacked. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get your FB account back after it's been hacked. First, visit facebook.com/hacked on the device you've used to log in to Facebook before. Here are some ways you can keep your account secure to prevent it from being hacked again. Signs that you may have been hacked, such as your profile picture has been changed. There are posts, comments, and messages that you didn't write. You're suddenly having problems logging in, or your usual two-factor authentication method, for example, your authentication app isn't working. You get a message or notification from Facebook telling you that someone is trying to log in or has already logged in and it wasn't you. You get an email from Facebook telling you that an email address or mobile phone number was added or removed from your account, or that your password was changed, and it wasn't you. If the email associated with your Facebook account has changed, you can reverse this. When an email is changed, we send a message to the previous email account with a special link. You can click this link to reverse the email change and secure your account. If you receive an email from Facebook, you can check to make sure it's really from us. In the Where You're Logged In section of your settings, you see a device or location you don't recognize. If this happens, you can select the device and log it out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.